If your warehouse dock leveler's taken a beating, cracked welds, bent hinges, or worn plates, don't panic. If it's still structurally sound and a quick weld job can get it back in action. Start by locking out the dock leveler and blocking it with jack stands. Never work under it unsupported. Now, give it a solid once-over. Look for cracks in the deck, the hinge welds, or the lip. If it's sagging or the beams are bent, you're probably looking at a replacement. But if it's just weld damage, you're good to go. Grab your Tomahawk welder and an angle grinder. Throw on your leathers, drop the hood, and get to it. Clean the area down to bare metal. Take off any rust, paint, or grease. If you spot cracks, bevel them to around 30 to 45 degrees for better weld penetration. Planning to reinforce? Cut your patch plate and test the fit before you strike an arc. Start welding with a strong root pass. Make multiple passes. Let each one cool a bit, and don't rush it. If you're welding hinges or pivot points, clamp everything tight to hold alignment. Stitch weld any reinforcements to avoid heat warping, and grind down if needed so the parts can move freely. Let it cool, check your welds, and cycle the dock with a light load. If everything moves smoothly, you're good to go. That's it, your dock leveler's back in action. With solid prep and clean welds, it's ready to take the hits and keep working, just like it should. And as always, for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your welding equipment, click subscribe today.